Welcome to Adham and Tessa's channel. Today's video is a little bit different. We're going to talk about how you can learn English through story. Since we all know English is not my first language, so I decided to share with you guys, based on my experience, how I learned English through story. Without further ado, let's get started. So since English wasn't my first language, it wasn't really easy to learn. Let's go back a little bit and see how I started. So since I'm from Egypt, English is a very important subject since you are literally really little. But not everybody speaks English the way that I speak right now. I decided to improve myself. I applied for a scholarship to study English and computer with American teachers in a center called AMEDEAST. And AMEDEAST means American Middle East. I got lucky enough, got accepted, and I started learning English with American teachers. However, my English was so bad, like so bad. But I said, you know what? I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep learning because I wanna learn. So everybody was making fun of me back then, I remember, because I couldn't speak a word. I was just saying different random sentences. But I said, I will learn one day I will. That was when I was 13 years old. I'm 28, almost 28 now. I would never forget that. One of the teachers told me I should learn English through story because that would help me more collect more words and understand better when I read or like listen to someone else's sentence, so I get like an idea of what they're talking about, even though if they use some or certain words that I had no idea what it meant. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna give it a try. So I start talking, even using words that I don't understand, you know, these words. Like I remember I saw it somewhere, but I don't exactly remember what it meant. And then also hearing the words from like other people, but it actually helped me a lot to just catch words from different people, different conversations on how can I improve my English with that. I did graduate and finish my program at that center for 2 years, and I applied for an exchange program. And I got selected among a lot of students to be one of the exchange program that wins the scholarship to go to USA. I went to the USA. My English was not good. Still, like I could introduce myself, I could understand some stuff, you know, but it was not perfect. I kept this method and I kept talking to people even though I don't know everything they're talking about, but catching word here and there. And that really helped me a lot. So I just wanted to share with you guys that this method on learning English through a story really helped me a lot. And I'm sure that applies to any other languages too. It does not have to be only English. But I thought it's a good method that if you're a beginner in any language and you don't know where to start and you don't know how to improve your language and how to improve your English, since a lot of people ask me how I improve my English, how I speak. Is it just because I travel a lot? Is it just because I live abroad? But it's mainly how to communicate and like talk to other people, build conversations, build stories, talk about something that happened to you, and then in the middle of the story, when you're like talking about it, you will miss some words. And then you could go back and search and translate these words exactly. And that's how you will collect more words into your vocabulary, and also through the story. So that was it for today. I just decided to have a brief, quick video about how to learn English through story and how it actually affects my language skills. I hope that you understood everything I said, because as I told you before, English is not my first language. So I hope I still learn every single day new words, new slang, since I'm in the States, so there are stuff that I had no idea, but still learning every day. And I improve my language, I improve my accent. I don't mean accent is not really a huge big deal, because as long as you understand what I'm talking about, then we're all good. I don't have to speak exactly like the American accent. But that was it for today, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that we provide you guys with many videos that help you with your career, either the travel videos that we post about different places and tips and tricks about how to travel cheap, and also the scholarship opportunities that we post. Thank you so much, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me down below in the comment section. I will definitely answer you, and of course, welcome to my Instagram account. I will leave the link down there too. See you until next video.